Hey Visioneers, welcome to this tutorial on Ideogram, the AI-powered image generation tool that can create stunning visuals just from a simple text prompt. Whether you need eye-catching social media posts, concept art, posters, or creative designs, Ideogram makes it easy for anyone to bring their imagination to life. Today I'll walk you through how to use it step by step. First, open your browser and go to ideogram.ai. If you're new, click on sign up and create a free account using your email or Google. If you already have an account, just log in. Creating an account only takes a minute and it's completely free to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main creation page. This is where you type your prompt, a simple description of what you want to see. For example, you could write a futuristic city skyline at sunset, cinematic lighting, and Ideogram will generate it for you. The key here is to be descriptive. Mention the subject, style, colors, mood, and any special effects you want. Below the prompt box, you'll find style options. Here you can choose different artistic looks like photorealism, cartoon, illustration, or 3D render. You can also select aspect ratios, square, portrait, or landscape, depending on your needs. If you're making a poster, you might want portrait mode. For a YouTube thumbnail, landscape might be better. After setting up your prompt and style, click the generate button. In just a few seconds, Ideogram will create multiple versions of your image. You can click on any one of them to view it in full size. If you like one, hit download to save it. If you want a slightly different version, use the remix option, which allows you to tweak your prompt and generate variations based on that same design. One of Ideogram's most powerful features is text in images. Unlike many AI tools, Ideogram can place accurate, readable text inside your design. So if you're making a poster, a business card, or a quote graphic, you can simply type your text inside the prompt, like a neon sign that says open 24/7, and it will appear exactly as you wrote it. You can also explore the community gallery on the homepage, where you'll find creations from other users. Clicking on them lets you see the original prompt used, which is a great way to learn and get inspiration for your own projects. When working with Ideogram, a good tip is to start simple and then add details. For example, you might first generate a cyberpunk street at night and then refine it by adding with rain-soaked roads, glowing signs, and steam rising from the drains. This way you can fine-tune until you get exactly the look you want. Keep in mind that the free plan gives you a set number of generations each day. If you find yourself using it often, you can upgrade to a paid plan for faster speeds, more generations, and higher resolution downloads. And that's all you need to get started with Ideogram. From text to fully rendered artwork in seconds, it's that simple. Whether you're designing social media graphics, digital art, or custom posters, this tool can make your creative process faster and more fun. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more AI tool guides, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Drop a comment below with what kind of images you're planning to create with Ideogram. I'd love to hear your ideas. Until next time, keep creating with AI, and I'll see you in the next video.